everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am painting on a 30 by 40 centimeter canvas. I'm going to be attempting a pearl pour today. I'm going to be using white, and I've done it with a mix of 2 parts of my acrylic white, and I am trying this Splashes water-based enamel in a white. So I've got 1 part of it, 2 parts of that, a bit of my global pouring medium, and then I've added water to get it to a thin consistency. It does not leave a trace, it just goes straight back into the cup. Then my colours today are Payne's Grey and Titanium Rose. Now they're mixed with a bit of global pouring medium and then water to get a thin consistency, just a little bit thicker than my pearl mixture. I've never done this before with an enamel paint. Because I'm in Australia, it's very hard to get the Deco Art satin enamel. So I'm giving this Splashes a try and we will see how it turns out. Okay, let's get pouring.